Guess what? Hobby Lobby has just announced their big clearance sale on fall merchandise, and the deals are unbelievable. Let's check out all the amazing finds and savings you don't want to miss. If you've been waiting to snag those gorgeous autumn decorations, now's the time. Hobby Lobby's clearance sale means discounts of 50 and 75% off. Yep, you heard that right, 75% off. This is perfect for stocking up on your favorites, whether you're decorating for next year, hosting Thanksgiving, or just want to refresh your home's seasonal vibe without breaking the bank. Trust me, I can fill my cart in minutes. You're gonna love what's in store. I'm gonna grab 4 of these leather look chargers to mix and match with some I have at home already that are similar to this metal one. Combined with these burlap placemats, I'm sure to get the look I want on my Thanksgiving table. This charcuterie board will look fabulous with our last name either in vinyl or using a scorch marker or scorch paint. If you're in the market for a new tablecloth for your Thanksgiving table, these two have great possibilities. One can never have too many pot holders, and this one comes with a recipe for guacamole. Or check out this cute pumpkin one. While fall tableware and party is still 50% off, everything else fall is 75% off. Items including floral, pumpkins, crafts, fabric, wreaths, garlands, decor, and more. Before you head to Hobby Lobby, here are a few tips to make the most of your shopping trip. First, check your local store's inventory. Clearance items can vary by location, so plan to visit multiple stores, and if you don't see what you're looking for, check the availability online. Second, come prepared. Bring a list of what you're looking for, but also be open to surprises. The deals are that good. And third, shop early. These items are flying off the shelves, and once they're gone, they're gone. And don't forget to check every aisle, end cap, and fixtures near the registers. You never know where hidden treasures might be waiting. Check out these fall garlands. Whether you want something for your front door or to hang on your fireplace, there's a huge variety. And yes, they're all discounted too. Candles, table runners, garlands, everything you need to create that warm fall feel in your home is on sale. Now you know I can't resist a good DIY. So let me know if you find a super simple project using some of these Hobby Lobby clearance finds. Don't forget your little ones will be out of school over Thanksgiving, and they will need something to keep them busy and all that extra time at home. If you have not filled up your Operation Christmas Child box, these needle art kits are great fillers without taking up too much space. And at 75% off, they're a great budget saver too. Here are just a few of my favorite finds, but don't go too far. I'm going to give you a sneak peek at a few that will be going home with me and how I use them in my home. So what are you waiting for? Head to your nearest Hobby Lobby and grab these deals before they're gone. Trust me, this is one sale you don't want to miss. And while you're out there snagging your fall favorites, don't forget to tag me in your finds on social media. I'd love to see what you picked up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deals, DIYs, and decor tips. Until next time, now go create what's possible.